Alrighty, currently what I have is a temperature monitoring system. It continuously monitors over a period. So it's a DHT22 monitors temperature and um, so this is our random files. Right now I need to get Excel. So this was earlier testing. This was repeating when I unplugged it. So remember line 37 to show credibility if it's actually occurring data. The thing is about the graphs, pressing run, make sure it's running. Choose the right CSV file. And it should be taken in values within this is what I have. I'm going to be writing an analysis on this. So what it generally uses, there is an alarm system, but generally there is a temperature log file path here that connects to this. Let's stop it real quick. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. So it uses a what is this again? Not a number path reform. And what it does, it gets a two-step for true and false. So true, no file selected, exiting program. Goes in outside. Then we have a constant here because no matter what, within entering a new loop, you have to have some sort of point of reference for this. Here in the false case is where it goes inside. I'm going to be writing a detailed analysis on this, but generally, to keep this short, goes into a meanwhile loop that repeats recurring over approximately 1 second, or plus in another delay of 1 second. This is the temperature chart. We have the temper alarm that showcases an alarm of says warning a pop-up. True, false. False is just nothing. So if it's true that some threshold is reached, which the threshold is established. Oh, it's not even. So threshold is supposed to be for humidity 70. That's when it's too humid, and that's a concern. Then temperature 30 degrees Celsius, anticipating, or you can mark threshold in some case. Live values are supposed to show here. I don't know why it wasn't, but it's kind of weird. I'll look in that real quick. And originally, my original process used the zero input of the values. This creating the file, going into visa read, bytes up port, match for the charts, and the threshold. Threshold is 4 here, indicating number to fractional string. Convert the number to string for the right delimited spreadsheet. It writes the spreadsheet over to the array here, supposed to. When it showcases it, it already has the data log CSV file. Should be writing it correctly. Has the delimited, which is just the space between the values, and then true, which enables the looping of the continuous of the values, live data values that come in. The shift register here to understand the loop for it. Alarm buttons, this is the greater than. Stop for button for this inner loop, which can, and then this is a Boolean stop for the main loop, which is mandatorized, and then there's a closing for this. These are close. That's kind of what I have here. And to double check, the number was 37. So let's see. Gosh. So I stopped it over a period of like 4 or 5 seconds. So we're at 37, now we are at 38, 39 over a span of 2. So it was about 4 seconds and I stopped it. So every 2 seconds delayed. Here, delay this factor. Approximately 2 second delay. Anticipated, that's what I assume of this. Still in the learning stage, but this is what I got so far. was trying to do other stuff. I did have another 2 more case structures here that were indicating what was it? It was some general threshold, but it was like a double-checked alarm system for it. But I replaced it with an actual alarm where it provides a pop-up button. So that seems more efficient. There's no point of having a two-way one, so it'll be too complex as well as unneeded for this. So yeah, that's what I got for this. Let me double click on this. So this is what I got for this. I could say in the prompt, like saying like not new path, or I mean new file, and so forth, but I don't think that's mandatory. That's what I got for here. I'm supposed to write it correctly. I could have used a OpenCreate refnum file dialog, but that's a whole different, you have to hard code it and so forth. But the right delimited spreadsheet block does incorporate it. So these two create a 2D array, including to this, and yeah, should